Welcome to the course titled Forex Strategy, Elliott Wave Theory with Fibonacci, Investing Forex Strategy for everyone and for all markets. You are attempting for your first investments and looking for a helpful and concise knowledge? The chart is a huge chaos for you, or maybe you are frustrated with your failures and losses of hardly earned money through unsuccessful investments? According to the statistical data provided by the brokers, even 90% of the debutantes is losing all their money in a period of 6 months. Also, 80% of investors lose on the transactions during a year, and on average, after losing $15,000, they stop their attempts of investment. If you don't want to be in a group of people losing money on investing, you are in the right place. Taking part in this course, you will make a first step to understanding this market, and you will give yourself a chance for a profitable investment. The Elliott Wave Theory is one of the most popular investment theories. This principle is used effectively by both experienced individual analysts and people working for the biggest financial institutions in the whole world. It is easily applied by the beginners. In this course, I will explain the most important issues of the wave theory, and additionally, I will describe the use of the Fibonacci numbers concerning the wave theory of Elliott. I have done my utmost to ensure that the course is concise and easy to understand for everyone. The course is perfect for the beginners and for the experienced, who learned about other strategies or theories. I am sure that thanks to the knowledge which you will possess, you will achieve also the skills thanks to which you will be able to create your own analyses concerning any instrument on the market. Going further, based on this knowledge, you will be able to make profitable transactions or even create your own profitable investment system. Possess the knowledge and make the money work for you.